Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more travel tips and tech reviews. Hotwire, a deep dive into the booking platform and user experience. Discover the power of Hotwire, a booking platform designed for travelers seeking significant savings on hotels, flights, car rentals, and vacation packages. Detailed links to the platform and its best deals are available in the description below. Renowned for its discounted rates and last-minute offers, Hotwire caters perfectly to budget-conscious travelers and those willing to trade a little flexibility for substantial price reductions. A key feature of Hotwire is its hot rate deals, offering impressive discounts on hotels and cars. The catch? The specific property or provider is revealed only after booking. Rest assured, Hotwire provides ample details beforehand, including star ratings, location, and amenities, empowering users to make informed choices while maximizing their savings. If your travel plans are flexible, these hot rate deals can slash your expenses by up to 60% compared to traditional booking methods. Hotwire boasts user-friendly search tools equipped with comprehensive filters for price, amenities, location, and guest ratings, streamlining the process of finding the perfect match for your needs. For those planning complete itineraries, Hotwire's Bundle and Saves feature allows combining flights, hotels, and car rentals for even greater discounts, making it an ideal choice for families and extended trips. The Hotwire mobile app elevates the user experience further with exclusive app-only discounts and an intuitive design that simplifies booking on the go. Manage your itineraries, make changes, and snag last-minute deals directly through the app with ease. Hotwire also accommodates various payment options, including the convenient Pay Now or Pay Later feature for eligible bookings. From solo travelers searching for affordable accommodations to groups organizing multi-day vacations, Hotwire serves a wide range of users. Transparency and customer satisfaction are paramount, with clear pricing, no hidden fees, and responsive customer support available around the clock. In summary, Hotwire is an outstanding option for travelers who value both affordability and flexibility. With its distinctive hot rate deals, robust search tools, and money-saving bundles, Hotwire is a dependable platform for budget-conscious travel planning. Explore Hotwire today and unlock savings on your next adventure by checking out the links in the description.